Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix easy anti-cheat errors when trying to launch Elden Ring Nightreign on your PC. If you're running into issues and the game won't launch properly, just follow these steps. Let's get started. If you're using Steam, right-click on Elden Ring Nightreign in your library, hover over Manage and click Browse Local Files. This will take you directly to your game's installation folder. If you're not using Steam, just find your installation folder manually. In the folder, look for a file called start_protected_game.exe. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now wait and see if the game launches. If it doesn't, don't worry. We'll repair Easy Anti-Cheat next. Inside the same game folder, open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Look for Uninstall Easy Anti-Cheat EOS Factory Reset. Double-click it. When it finishes, press any key to continue. Double-click Install Easy Anti-Cheat_EOS_setup.exe. Again, press Yes, and then any key when prompted. Now, just go back and launch Elden Ring Nightreign like normal. The issue should now be resolved. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future gaming tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.